Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Shop Saturday, where we try to keep you up to date on what we're doing in our shop. Currently, and for the last, I don't know, since the end of summer, we've been working on this farmhouse table right here. So we haven't really made a lot of progress. We've gotten it sanded, but we're going to work on the legs today. I really don't have a lot of time today, and today's probably the only day I'm going to have time to do it. So I am going to try to make kind of between like a trestle table or a four-legged table. I may end up doing a four-legged table just because if I just leave it in the garage, I want to be able to have a shelf underneath of it. But we have our wood here, and of course we got regular wood where we have to get the corners squared up. So we're gonna run it through our joiner and our planer, and then we'll get caught back up after that. I really want to get a few of these projects done though, because we're having a garage sale here Memorial weekend, and I really would like to have a few things made just in case I can sell them. So hopefully we'll have a table. I'm going to try to make some benches. I got my cedar chest upstairs, which I don't know if I want to sell that or not, but if it sells, it sells. So but hopefully we can sell a few of these, which we can buy more wood and a couple more tools. I want to get a couple more tools, and then maybe we can get a few more customers and get the ball rolling. Look at Oreo out there. Silly kitty. We better get to going instead of flapping our jaws. Okay guys, I know you guys are wondering, we're about to use the dust topper on the joiner and the planer, and we've been running it for about 2 weeks now, and I haven't dumped it. I basically just been using it for sanding and for sucking up the little bit of dust that's upstairs. So let's see how much stuff's inside of it. Whoa, there's actually quite a bit of sawdust in there. Look at that. I mean, that's real fine stuff from sanding. Quite a bit of dust, and just think, I went through I probably would have had to dump my shop vac 3 or 4 times because it would have lost suction, and also with using those shop vac bags, I probably would have went through a whole bag already. So thoroughly impressed with that. If you haven't seen our video, make sure you check it out. It's up over my left hand shoulder there, and we're gonna get to squaring these guys up. Okay guys, so I've been fiddling around with how I'm gonna do my legs, and I think I figured it out. This is how I'm gonna finish the legs up. So probably not doing it right, but it doesn't look very symmetrical and stuff, but that's how it's gonna be. I will get it squared up a little bit. It's just laying on the floor. So we'll take all of our 2x4s and 2x6s, and we're gonna square them up. Constantly making round, square, and square round. So it's never ending circle. Should be using my assembly table, but I've got a few projects on that. So I'm gonna hurry up and quickly get Amelia's box put together and get that off the table. Why did I make this so hard to get into? Oh,
son of a gun. Never fails. Never fails. Nothing can be easy. Oh, man. I hope to God I don't have to use nails for this. Oh, I do. Son of a gun. 1, 2. Oh, I gotta find 2 more nails. Son of a gun. Well, we're just looking for 2 nails that are this big in a pile of sawdust, so it may take a little while. Try doing a 5-minute project and it turns into a 35-minute project because you're klutz. That's why it's important to have a clean shop. We couldn't have went that far. Oh well, maybe we'll just use 2 nails. Oh, there's one of them right here. 1, 2, 3 screws, 3 nails. I need 4 nails. Maybe the other one will magically appear soon. Important to have the right size tool for the job. Sometimes you just need a little screwdriver. hopefully we'll get our table legs done today. But if not, at least we got the box done. Where did the other screw go? No, I've lost it yet again. There it is. I think it's pretty obvious I shouldn't have a how-to do things channel. This is just a documenting of the start of making stuff out of wood, so hopefully it'll be funny to some people, and hopefully in a few years I'll be able to look back on these videos and be like, oh yeah, that was so much fun, but now I can build awesome stuff. So that's done. Now we just got to, looks like my box is not quite in the proper spot. Don't know how they expect you to put these silly nails in. Oh, they expect you to nail a nail that you can't even hold on to, but... Alright. Yeah, it's one.
Okay, so we got our 3 nails in, and it locks. Look at that. Box done. Got some brass on the back, handle, and the lock. And it opens. So, butt joint cedar chest done. We finished the project. All right. I know I'm a little overexcited about that. Sorry. Now back to our table legs. We did manage to get our lumber nice and square, and we're just gonna sand it smooth now. This is Shop Saturday, where we give you a update on what we're doing in the shop. Sometimes we don't get a whole lot done, so we are having a garage sale coming here on Memorial Weekend, so hopefully we have some luck and sell our tables. And if you're interested, we do have a website. If you want some of our tools, the links are down in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little funny video we made here.